Assalamu alaikum student, this is your teacher Miss Neelam, and today my objectives are to tell you the words that begin with the sound introduction of the letter and formation of the letter and at last I will give you the home task. Okay, let's start. Look at this picture. What do you see? It's a monkey. Monkey. Here, what do you see, guys? It's a map. Map. It's a mop. Mop. It's a mug. Mug. It's a moon. Moon. Okay, now we have the letter M and its sound is mm. Mm. You have to close both your lips and the sound will come from the nose. And look at the formation of We start from here, come down, make a dumpty, bum and a little turn. Look carefully everyone. Start from here, come down, make a dumpty, bum and a little turn. Start here, come down, make a dumpty, bump and a little turn. This is the formation of the letter M. Okay, all these pictures begin with the sound moon, mop, monkey, map, mug. Okay, everyone look at your Smart Language Workbook Term 1 and page number 19 and 20. This is your home task. First, you have to trace it with 2 fingers on page number 19 in this manner. You have to trace it, start from this point, come down, make a dumpty, bum and a little turn with 2 fingers. Then you have to trace it 5 times with 5 different crayons. And on page number 20, you have to color the monkey and you have to trace the M's with pencil. Here you have to trace it with pencil and here you have to trace it with crayons. This is your homework. I hope you all enjoyed the videos. See you on the next video. Allah Hafiz.